heads and one set of wings.
Yeah, it's pretty weird what's going on over there. Are they doing it?
Oh, there they go again.
Bird fight. Bird fight.
Trixie, sit. Good girl. Are they cross-locked?
They may just be stuck. This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Okay, there they go.
Trixie, sit. Good girl.
What those birds doing, Dexter? They're in a bird fight.
Look, they're getting in. Da, 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 da. It's like nobody's winning, so it's a stalemate.
It's a little hard to film this with a big black dog dragging me around. Here, can you take him?
Yeah.
In case these two do something more interesting.